Welcome to Zaya's Toy Show. Hey guys, welcome to my toy show. Today we have Slimy Ooze Factory. We're gonna make our first ever slime video 1. So let's get into this. So the kit includes slime mixing machine, Neon slime powders, neon slime powders, colors glitter, storage containers. So I'm very excited to get into this. Look at this slime. So let's get into this. No, say hi. Guys, look what this is. It says add water, slime powder, then spin and mix for squishy fishing every time. Wow! No, you said wow too. I have a little bit of some some food. I'm gonna get some more.
Me so hungry.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Eat! Yay! Eat! Chicken! Eat chicken! This is a break time! Hey, Mommy! Hey guys, so we're gonna be unboxing this now. Wow, it's so easy to unbox! Ooh! Oops, it fallen. So guys, this is what it looks like. So guys, first we got in the spinner. And second, we got some of these. The glitter is for this, and there's other glitters like this one. So let's get this one. Okay, I got in this one. Guys, so we've got everything unboxed now. We have colorful eggs, colorful powder, and colorful some glitter, colorful glitter. And we have also this thing that we're gonna put the water in and mix it all around. Oh, so we're gonna start with blue, my favorite color. Hey guys, so we're gonna pour this thing in. So let's do this. Okay guys, so we got a little bit of it, some spilled, but it's okay. So now we need some water.
Water. Good job, baby.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna add the water. Whoa! No, don't touch it. Okay, so we're gonna add the second one. No, stop. Mix it up gently. Looks like little icebergs. No, stop. Please. Okay guys, so we're mixing it. Whoa guys, it's turning blue. Water's supposed to be invisible, but now it's turning into actual water. Actually cartoon water. Okay. Big. Nobody heard that. Nobody heard that. Mommy, how? Yeah. Oh, good job. Oh my god, it's actually working a little bit. But it's still watery. Okay, so now we have to make it wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes, so let's touch this. We're gonna open this. Whoa. Whoa guys, so let's spill it out. Whoa guys, I can't believe this. It's so gooey. I got in half of it. Whoa, look at this. Oh, it feels so cool. Okay, let's take another piece out. It's so oozy. Look at my brother. He's not doing it. Wait guys, how about at the end we put all the slime together and play with it? Like a giant slime. And here, gotten everything out. By the way, whoa! Whoa guys, look at this. It's all sticking together again. It's amazing. Wow. Guys, look, it's all sticking together. Oozy woozy oozy is so woozy oozy. I don't know how to do more of this song, so I don't want this slime anymore. Just kidding, yo. It's a slime, bro. Oh! Okay, that didn't really rhyme. Bum bum bum-a-dee-dum. It's like a okay guys, so we are going to put all of these stuff in one thing. This is gonna be cool. I already know it is. And we're gonna make a colorful oozy ball. We gotten all of the colors done already, so let's pour all of this into one. Okay, let me get the first color, then mix it all around, then get the orange, pink, oops, sorry guys, green. Now let's do the glitters. First we do gold. Oh, this is hot. Now let's do blue. Now let's do green. Now the final one, pink. Oh my god guys, look at all these colors. But alright guys, now let's add the water. Okay, let's do. Whoa guys, are you seeing this? Oh my god guys, are you actually seeing this? Okay, let's mix it around now. Okay, let's mix it around. It's all like water. It's all like red. Now some soup. And now it's with me, but I still like this because it's so not rhyming though. But I like singing the soup song. That it looks like it looks like grow up. For real, guys. If you do vote for this soup, okay, put a hashtag down below. Actually, put hashtag yuck soup. But if you say, ooh, I like that soup, put hashtag I like soup there. For you guys, I would put hashtag ew soup. You have to wait and sit for 5 minutes again. So, see you in a bit. See you in a bit. Bye. How much more time is there? Okay guys, so this wasn't actually working out, and this was a fail. We waited 5 minutes, but this didn't turn it into anything. Let's spill it out on the plate and see what happens. Okay guys, so this kind of feels like boogers here, and it's like going lawn and lawn and lawn. It's going like forever. So we mixed up with the blue, but it was a fail. It feels like boogers, guys. It's all cold by and it's also so cool. But we're about to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so we're about to end the video here. I hope you like, subscribe. If you put hashtag fail or hashtag not fail, it's gonna be great. So I hope you comment down below. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Dun 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 dun.